In the United States, the legalization of same-sex marriage went from one state, Massachusetts, in 2004 to all 50 in 2015. Civil rights campaigning in support of marriage equality began in the 1970s. In 1970, James Michael McConnell and Richard John Baker applied for a marriage license in Minneapolis, Minnesota. After they sued the district court because they denied their request on the sole ground that they were of the same sex, the couple appealed this decision to the Minnesota Supreme Court, who dismissed the trial. They then appealed to the United States Supreme Court, and their appeal was dismissed again for want of a substantial federal question. In 1996, Bill Clinton signed the Defense of Marriage Act, which allowed states to decline same-sex couples' requests to get married. Nevertheless, as time passed, the public opinion started to change. For the first time in May 2011, national public support for same-sex marriage rose above 50%. The Defense of Marriage Act was struck down by the United States Supreme Court in June 2013. The Obergefell versus Hodges case was a consolidation of 6 lower court cases that came from Michigan, Ohio, Kentucky, and Tennessee. The main case studied was from Ohio. In June 2013, James Obergefell and John Arthur decided to go to Maryland to get married, given that Ohio state law forbade same-sex marriage. The state of Ohio then refused to recognize their marriage, so they filed a lawsuit for discrimination against lawfully married same-sex couples. John Arthur was terminally ill. He suffered from amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, a disease that causes the death of neurons controlling voluntary muscles. The couple wanted James Obergefell, the surviving partner, to be listed as surviving spouse on John's death certificate. The 6 decisions of the lower court cases were appealed to the U.S. Court of Appeals and then to the Supreme Court. The case had 148 amici curiae briefs submitted, hence more than any other Supreme Court case. The 9 justices appeared deeply divided during the oral arguments. But on June 26, 2015, the United States Supreme Court stated that granting same-sex marriages was legal in all 50 states. The court also overruled its decision in the Baker trial. The fight for gay marriage went on for more than 45 years in the U.S. Today, same-sex marriage is legal in 30 countries out of the 193 recognized by the UNO. This historical ruling paved the way for others, but there is still a lot of work to do to achieve equality for members of the LGBTQ+ community.